Students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Now, in today's lesson, I would like to introduce you with some special purpose logic gates. Here we have three special logic gates, namely NAND gate, NOR gate, and XOR gate. First and foremost, we'll go through the clarification of NAND gate, NAND, NAND gate. So introducing the NAND gate, I would like to tell you that a NAND gate is a special purpose logic gate which is formed by the combination of two gates. As far as its name is concerned, NAND, NAND, here this N stands for not and this AND stands for AND. So here a NAND gate is nothing but a NOT gate following an AND gate. Means a NAND gate is the combination of two gates. It is formed when we combine an AND gate with a NOT gate in cascade. So this cascading of two gates is in such a way that the output of this AND gate is given or fed to the NOT gate. In simple words, NOT gate here follows an AND gate. So NAND gate is an AND gate in cascade with a NOT gate. We already know that a NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and a NOT gate. So in order to understand its symbolic representation, here we are having the two symbols here. In first, I am showing you the symbolic representation of NAND gate with an AND gate and a NOT gate connected externally with an AND gate. Clear? So this is here external inverter or the NOT gate. NOT gate, AND gate. These are clear to us in the previous lesson. Their working, their approach, and their use, and their basic working principle. We are already aware about the performance of an AND gate. It is nothing but which is based on the binary multiplication. AND gate provides the product of these two inputs at the output terminal, and this output received from this AND gate is fed given to a NOT gate. So this NOT gate complements or inverts this signal which has been received from an AND gate. Clear? So what NOT gate does, it gives the complement of this very input. So here if input is y, output will be y bar. Here input from an AND gate is a dot b and the output will be a dot b whole bar. Clear? This is another symbolic representation, a simplest form of the symbolic representation for an AND gate. Here an AND gate with a little bubble over here represents a NAND gate. Clear? So here, if A and B are the inputs to it, then output will be Y or AB whole bar. Clear? AB whole bar. Clear? Next, we'll try to understand overall function of an AND gate using truth table. We're already aware about the definition of a truth table. You should recall that a truth table is nothing but a table which gives the possible combinations of the inputs vis-a-vis the corresponding outputs from a logic gate circuit. Okay, now here we are having a NAND gate with inputs A and B. Here two inputs are available to us. So for two inputs, what are the possible combinations? 2 raised to 2 means 4. These 4 combinations can be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. These 4 combinations are in magnitude 0, 1, 2 and 3 in binary form, binary representation. Just to clarify, over here we are having, if we go to the previous slide, we are having the two outputs over here in this very symbolic representation with external inverter. Just when we give the signals as input A and B to this AND gate first phase, what we receive Y as A dot B. So this is the initial output over here, and this initial output from this AND gate is fed to the NOT gate. So final output will be over here as the complement of this Y, means Y bar, A B whole bar. Correct? So in this truth table, I have given the two columns for output, one at the initial stage, which is the output from a AND gate, and the final output, which is the output of the NAND gate. Clear? Clearly, when we talk about the AND gate, we know that AND gate provides the output at the only one case when both the switches, both the signals are high, when both A and B are at one state. So here we will receive 1 only in the case when A is 1 and B is 1, and rest of the cases will show 0 status. Clear? Or if we go simply multiplying these two bits, 0.0 will be 0, 0.1 will be 0, 1.0 will be 0, and 1.1 will be 1 accordingly. Now the final output will be complement of this, because this will be the input given to the NOT gate, which clearly inverts these signals, inversion or complements these signals. What is the complement of 0? It will be 1. Clear? What is the complement of this 0? It will be 1. Complement of this will be 1. Clearly complement of this will be 0. So simply what we receive as the final output is complement of the initial output given by the AND gate. So finally we conclude over here from this very truth table that the final output is complement of the AND gate. So conclusion में हम ये बता सकते हैं the NAND gate is the complement of AND gate. NAND gate is complement of AND gate. So it is nothing but not and. This not gives the signal or the sense that it is opposing or negating an AND gate. So simply we will say output of a NAND gate is always high except in the one case when all the switches are high. all the switches at or all the input signals are at one state.